Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rahman and today we are going to talk about Kishu Inu and also some latest and current updates about Kishu Inu. So let's start the video without wasting any moment, and also you can go and follow me on Instagram if you are not following, or Twitter also. So let's get started. You can see in last 24 hours 38% up already. Kishu Inu standing at 0 point some zeros and 5163, and low is 3582. So it's probably pumping in last 24 hours till now. 7 days old chart, you can see here all the way up. And let me show you 1 month old chart all the way up. Kishu Inu is standing up. 3 months old chart all the way up, and it's not stopping. But yeah, it's still far away from its all-time high when we click on 1 year chart, because after Shiba, when you consider dog coins, you have to see Kishu and then every other coin like Baby Doge or Dogecoin, even though they got tweet and they got pumped so hard, but Kishu Inu is one of the strongest one, I would say. And now, as I mentioned in my previous video also, now what I'm seeing is people getting interested in Kishu Inu. When you search, like some weeks ago, whenever you search Kishu Inu, it was like 2 to 3 people making Kishu Inu videos and saying to buy it now, it's gonna go up, and I was one of them. But now when you search on YouTube Kishu Inu, just a small example, there are a lot of guys coming into Kishu Inu, and now my videos are down in search. So that's another thing. And the purpose of telling you guys this is that Kishu Inu is now like getting attention of a lot of people. And the good thing about it is the market cap of Kishu Inu is still low. It can still give you a 10x, a 100x. I'm not promising anything or anything like that. Just saying, not a financial advice also. Just saying that Shiba already pumped. You know why people are jumping on Shiba Inu? Why people jump? Obviously, you know. They missed Doge. They did not want you to miss some other big gem. They jumped on Shiba. Shiba pumped. It's so pumped right now. Now people are saying like, Shiba is already so much pumped, like thousands of percent up. They are looking for another alternative, and in that scenario, Kishu is one of the best, because like their team, it's not a little meme coin anymore. It's accepted at Travala.com. It's accepted at Now Payments, and doing some really big things. If you check it out by yourself, their project, their Twitter, all the things, you will get to know that it's not just a meme coin getting out of hype. They have been working on it from a long time, and it has a strong team behind. So now people are jumping on Kishu Inu. Let me show you something. You can see here they are now looking forward to get listed on exchanges, and yes, their holders started increasing rapidly. You can see here 219k. I remember it was little bit stuck on 200k, and now they are increasing rapidly every day. They're like targeting Binance, Huobi Global, and some other big exchanges. They want listing desperately, and it's really possible. One big listing Kishu can literally shoot, and even if not, it's still shooting. You can see the graphs is still going up, and Shiba has really a major part in this too. Elon Musk tweet got rejected. How much Shiba are you holding? And he replied, none. Shiba Inu graph dropped a little bit, but back on the track again. And it is a little bit alarming sign for Elon Musk and his influence, but not gonna talk about it a lot. So Shiba is still pumping without any major dip, and Kishu Inu started pumping also. I'm sure, I hope so, it cross its all-time high and make a new all-time high. A lot of people are gonna get massive gains in this one. So it's still early, I think, according to the market cap and how it's going. Still early to get in Kishu maybe, but don't take it as a financial advice. Do your own research before investing anywhere. You can subscribe my channel for more videos like that on all other meme coins, major coins, and potential projects I covered. So that's it. See ya. Take care.